Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a covenant tutu. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need needle, thread, you're going to need elastic, ribbon, and a ribbon marker, and some tulle. 3 different colors of tulle. So first you're going to need to do is you're going to need to overlap it, your elastic to overlap like this. Just put them on top of your thread. Then you're going to take your needle and thread. You're going to go You're going to take your needle and thread and go like this. Take it in. And then go like this. And then you're going to take it and then put it like this again. Just keep on doing it till your whole thing is set. So, I'm going to take it in and I'm going to pull it out when I'm done. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to cut it. Ooh, I cut it. Okay, so you're going to take it. And then you're going to tie it in your knot. Just like okay, Mom, can you do it?
You get to?
And then tie it, and then you're going to cut it one more time. Then you're going to take it and cut it. There. Then you have your elastic. Then you're going to take, I'm just going to be using my box, but you can use anything that's big enough. Going to take it, and you're going to put it over. And make sure your elastic is straight. I'm going to have to bend this a little bit to get how I want it. Pull it down a little bit like this. So then you're going to take your 3 colors of elastic. I have 2 pinks and a blue. I'm going to start with this pink, this blue. You're going to take your colors, whatever color you have. And this will come in the box. You're going to take it, you're going to put it as like a little bunny ear. You're going to take it, and then you're going to put it under, like this. Just put it under. You're going to take it, like this. Then you're going to pull it, and you're going to pull it out like this. And then you're just going to pull, like that. And then you just keep on going with that. And then you're going to keep on going and going and going. So now I'm going to take my darker pink. Take it. Take it. Go like this. Put it together. Go like this. Going to put it under. Going to take it. Put it under. Going to put it in. And then you're going to pull. And pull it together. Yeah. And in the middle, I'm just going to take a pink. This one. Make sure they're really close together so you, well, make sure like they have a little space but not too much space. So you have enough tool for each of them. Take bunny ear. I'm going to put this one in the middle because I accidentally messed up, but it's okay. I'm going to take it, put it in the middle, and pull. Take this, and pull. Then I'm just going to put this along with the end. And then you're gonna keep on doing it around and around and around. So now that my tutu is finished, I'm going to write 3 words that I am. I'm going to write kind because I feel like I'm always kind to my family and my friends. I'm going to write chocolate because I love my chocolate skin. And I'm going to write smart because I'm really smart at math. So now that I wrote all my words, I'm going to be tying the 2 here. Make sure you put them a little bit more down because I put my words a little bit too close, but that's okay. But make sure you put them a little bit down so you have a little bit more space. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to take right here. Put it right here. Make sure I can see my word. It's forward. I'm going to take it. I'm just going to tie it like a knot. Like how you tie your shoe. So this is how it turned out. And yeah, I like it. Now you're just gonna put all around your tutu into the 3 words spread out. So this is what the tutu looks when it's done. Your 3 words, the tool, and yeah. So I hope you guys have a good day. Please hit that like button and turn on that notification down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!